Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of an electric toothbrush. The name of the toothbrush is Caresmith Spark Electric Rechargeable Toothbrush. This is how the packaging looks, friends. These are some of the main features of the toothbrush, friends. Sonic technology, 30,000 strokes per minute. Basically it works on the wave technology of electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes are of two kinds. One is rotary toothbrush in which the bristles, the brushing head rotates, and one is the sonic technology in which there is waves in the bristles or the brush head which removes the stains. So this one works on the sonic technology. Friends, sonic technology is the more latest form of the electric toothbrush. The premium segment of it is like Philips Sonica, which is based on the same wave technology. Then there is a 30 seconds interval pause reminder. So after every 30 seconds there will be a reminder from the toothbrush. There will be a vibration which will tell you to shift to different portions of your teeth, so that one particular area does not get the entire brushing and you get a thorough brushing. Then the other feature is 2-minute smart timer. Actually friends, with this electric toothbrush you should have a brushing time of at max 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes it will be able to give you a thorough fully 100% brushing. So there is a 2-minute smart timer after which the brush will automatically shut down and no need to brush anymore. Then there is IP7 waterproof. It's a 100% waterproof toothbrush, so you need not worry, like it's an electronic thing. If I'm like washing it, should I wash it carefully, or you are always conscious about the electronic part of the toothbrush, because brushing is basically a water driven or water related activity. Then there is this feature called feather light design. It's very light. The approximate weight of the brush is 32 grams. Then there is 1-year warranty, extensive warranty on the product. These are the main contents you are going to get in this box. Tooth wave DuPont bristles. The bristles are like wave form, so that you get a proper cleaning program or proper cleaning out of the toothbrush. Then there is modes for dynamic cleaning. There are 6 modes for the toothbrush. You can select according to your need. Like there is a mode for massaging the gums so that the gums get the optimum blood flow, and there are you have noticed there are gums which turn black over the time. It's basically because of like less blood flow into the gums, and gums are the foundation of your teeth. If the gums are not healthy, you are never going to get healthy teeth. So there is a mode to like re-energize your gums. Then there is a mode for like medium intensities, strong intensity. There are 3 modes in that form. Like if you want, like if your teeth are very dirty, you can go for strong intensity mode. There are 3 modes according to the dirtiness of your teeth. Then there is this gum healthiness program, and one more is there. Two brush heads. They have given 2 brush heads. One is medium softness and one is totally soft. So based on your kind of your liking, you can select the brush head. Then on a single charge it lasts up to 20 days. This is a very extensive feature and awesome feature. In the box price of the product is like 2000 rupees. I got it in Amazon for 734 rupees, and honestly speaking, in the sonic technology, this is the cheapest electric toothbrush and the reviews are awesome. I got it from Amazon. So friends, if you want to purchase, you can go for it always in Amazon. Let me mention you, this electric toothbrush is based on sonic technology, and this is the newer form of electric toothbrush. The earlier ones were like rotating heads, in which there was this brushing head used to rotate and clean the teeth. This sonic technology is far more advanced and far more healthy for your teeth, and this is the latest version. for the same sonic technology, Philips charges the basic version of Philips electric toothbrush is at least 3500 around, and this one I got for 734. So guys, you can always give it a try. And last but not the least, before like unboxing it, I want to talk about oral hygiene and how electric toothbrush helps in getting a better oral hygiene. These are the main points they have mentioned here. Like dental benefits: removes 100% more plaque. The more dirt from your teeth, it removes 100%. So you can get a 2x cleaning out of your toothbrush. Improves gum health. As I mentioned earlier, achieves noticeably white teeth. Okay, it's a good point. Prevent tooth decay. Okay, and one more thing, friends, like when we are brushing manually, the maximum speed we can get out of manual brushing is 300 strokes per minute. Like 300 times in a minute you can stroke, and with this electric toothbrush you are getting a stroke of 30,000 strokes per minute. So it is 100 times more efficient than your manual toothbrushing, and this is one of the primary reason why I got why I switched to an electric toothbrush. So let me stop here and proceed with the unboxing, and then I will do a brushing on the go with it, and then I'll give you my reviews how it felt after the usage of this electric toothbrush. Okay friends, let me do the unboxing. Oh lovely, what a beautiful packaging. And this is the cord for charging purpose. This is the toothbrush. See how lovely, how beautiful the product is. These are the two brush heads. Guys, I'm literally like, giggling. I'm so happy. The product is so furnished, so beautiful. Like there is this branding of CareSmith on the body of the brush. Then there are these are two brush heads. It's written over here. This is soft. It's written here soft, and this is like medium. So I don't know. I'm going to start with the softer one. It's your sole wish, whichever one you want to pick up. Okay friends, it has started. It's kind of vibrating. These are the intensities I'm changing. It shows indication which one is which intensity. This is the highest intensity. This is the first one, first, second, third, 3 settings of intensity. Friends, it feels amazing. Like the way it's brushing, it's just perfect, and within 2 minutes you are definitely going to get the best out of your oral hygiene. Let me put some toothpaste and do the brushing, and then I'll come to you with the final review how it felt after brushing with this CareSmith Spark electric toothbrush. Okay friends, I just had my first brushing run with this electric toothbrush, and maybe for first 10 seconds you might have feel a bit different, like it's something very new, but man, just believe me, trust me, the quality of brushing and the level of cleaning you are going to get out of it is just awesome. It was like a delightful brushing experience, just 2 minutes, and like I'm feeling like came out of an professional dentist clinic out after a professional flushing and floss session. It's feeling so nice. Really, it cleans so thoroughly, so professionally, and like it's like so perfect. And just 2 minutes of your life, and you are going to get a professional dentist cleaning every single day. So friends, this is all about it. And if you do like my video, please press the like button. Thank you for watching my video. Good night.